Obviously, the first woman that inspired me is my mom. She would often say, what a man can do, a woman can do. And so raising me and my sisters, it was very important to her that we believed we could be anything and we weren't limited to roles just based on our gender. My name is Ukeme Awakessien Jeter. I am the City Council President, 35th Mayor of Arlington. But I wear other hats as well. I'm a mom of two, I'm an attorney, and my life story is unconventional, to say the least. But I immigrated to the United States at the age of 18 to attend college, and it has been a wild ride ever since. I started as an engineer, then I pivoted into becoming a lawyer, and I currently work as an intellectual property attorney in a local law firm. For me, running for City Council is about two human beings, my children, my daughter and my son. We were new residents to the city of Arlington in 2018 when I moved here. Not very long after I was sworn in, a friend from a different community sent a picture of her city council. And her city council is all white, and this friend is black. And she says, this is why representation matters, because I just feel like if I was in your city, I could call you and talk about my issues. So for me, that's what history helps reshape how people that have not usually been seen can feel seen. We raise girls into perfection, and so we become afraid of failing. And I hope to inspire girls that failure is part of the success, part of the formula to success, to say it better. So you got to fail to succeed. Stop waiting for permission. That would be my message to women, to young girls. I see it all the time in my mentees, in friends. If we listen to ourselves quietly, we're generally always waiting for permission. We're waiting to be validated, to pursue an idea, to step into the arena. We need someone to tap us in. And I would say quit waiting for permission. It takes a lot of courage to be the first at something, to be new at something, to be the first at something. There's a magnifying glass in those scenarios, and so you can get kind of paralyzed in that, or you can push through with courage, doing it your way. I want to know that I did it my way. So maybe that's my legacy, that I did it my way.